Cytosol or intracellular fluid is the fluid portion of the cytoplasm that is surrounding organelles. It constitutes about 55% of total cell volume. Although it varies in composition and consistency from one part of a cell to another, cytosol is about 75 to 90% water plus various dissolved and suspended components. These components include different types of ions, glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, proteins, lipids, ATP, and waste products. The cytosol is the site of many chemical reactions that are required for a cell's existence. These cytosolic reactions provide the building blocks for maintenance of cell structures and for cell growth.